to some I have talked with by the fire. While I furred out these fitful Danian rhymes, my heart would brim with dreams about the times when we bent down above the feeding coals and talked of dark folk who live in souls of passionate men like bats in dead trees. In the wayward twilight companies who sighed with mingled sorrow and content because their blossomed dreams have never bent under the fruit of evil and of good, and of the embattled flaming multitude who rise, wing above wing, flame above flame, and like a storm cry the ineffable name, and with the clashing of their sword blades make a rapturous music to the morning break, in the white hush and awe, but the loud beat of their long wings and flash of their white